Okay, to change the power steering fluid, or to add power steering fluid, first lift the hood, which is over here. There we go. So we lift the hood, put the prop rod up. It goes there where the arrow is. Power steering fluid container is here. So we pull that lid off and we look down in there, and yes, it's empty. That's why it's making all that squeaky noise. So when it's that low, we add a whole bottle of one of these, which is 12 ounces. I don't have my knife with me, so I'll break it open with my nail, and then we just line it up. And squirt it in. Usually better to use a funnel, but I didn't have one at the moment, so I didn't use one. So now it's full. See? We put the cap back on. And now when we start it, it won't squeak anymore. So again, that's your power steering reservoir. And that's how you add power steering fluid. Now to check your engine oil, it's this dipstick right here. You do it when the engine is warm. You grab a towel, you pull this out, wipe it off, stick it back in. You gotta line it up with the hole there. Make sure it's all the way in, and then you pull it out again slowly, and you look at the level. And you'll see that there's two dots there. The top dot, the one closest to the left, means it's full. The dot on the right means it needs to add a quart. If you don't see any oil on there at all, then you need to add a little at a time until you get to one of the dots to figure out exactly how much to fill it to full. And that concludes your basic check. Washer fluid goes here, and antifreeze coolant goes here.